What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Enoylity Technology, your go-to destination for the most honest and in-depth tech and smart home product reviews. I'm so excited for today's video because we're diving deep into something that could genuinely change daily life for every single cat owner out there. This right here is a Oneisall Ease S1 self-cleaning litter box. And yes, you're seeing those awards correctly. The product won CES 2026 Innovation Award, the CES 2026 Reviewed Awards, Best in Show at CES 2026, and Best at CES 2026. That is 4 awards from the world's biggest consumer electronics show. So you already know this thing is special. Today, we're going to unbox this, go through every single feature, compare it to the competition, and give you the full, honest picture so you know exactly whether this is worth your money or not. Stick with me until the end because we have a lot to cover and some genuinely cool things to show you. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, welcome back to your best place for latest tech reviews and concept renders, this Enoylity Technology.
Look at this packaging. It's clean, it's premium, no wasted space. Let's see what's inside the box. Pulling it open now. First out, the main litter tray. Wow, this is a solid, substantial piece. Look at the construction. Look at the quality of the material. This is not plastic. Okay, so here it is, fully assembled. And honestly, it looks fantastic. This doesn't look like a litter box. It looks like a piece of modern pet furniture. The matte gray finish, the clean rectangular silhouette, the support legs. This could sit in anyone's living room and not look out of place. The open top right here design is one of the first things you'll notice. And this is intentional. Cats actually prefer open top designs because it doesn't create that enclosed claustrophobic feeling. A lot of cats refuse to use those type of dome-shaped boxes actually. This is especially important if your cat has never used an automatic litter box before. The open familiar shape makes the transition incredibly easy. No adjustment anxiety, no refusal. First-timers adapt to this almost immediately. With this rectangular open basin measuring 497 millimeters by 420 millimeters, this is 32% larger than the leading competitors. Even your biggest, chunkiest cats are going to be comfortable in here. And Oneisall includes 2 types of litter fences, a large and a small. So the box works perfectly with different cat litter types, whether you use coarser clumping litter or finer tofu litter. That's a small detail that makes a big difference. The entrance height is 306 millimeters, so cats can step in without having to jump or strain, which is really important for older cats or cats that are a bit heavier. Oneisall really thought about the cat's comfort first here, not just the human's convenience. Now, let's talk about the thing that makes this product genuinely different. Oneisall calls it the Ease Clean System.
and it is broken into 3 words: detachable, rinsable, spotless. Now, detachable. Every single component on this litter box can be detached. Every single one. That includes the stainless steel litter guard, which is right here, which on competing products is permanently fixed in place and impossible to clean properly. You can literally remove this in seconds. No tools, no fuss, none of that. Rinsable. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Look at the interior of this waste drawer. Feel this. This is a full silicone lining. That means you can literally rinse this underwater, wipe it clean, no litter sticking, no odor absorbing into the plastic, and no residue. Almost all components except the electrical parts are fully rinsable. When was the last time a litter box can let you do that? And I have to show you what competing products look like after just 1 month of use. And it is not pretty. Litter caked in every crevice, non-removable guards you literally cannot clean, waste buildup in corners. It's genuinely gross. Now, look at Oneisall's design. No seams, no corners for litter to get trapped in, and no gaps. This entire litter box is engineered without seams, spotless. From a user experience perspective, the most frustrating thing about previous automatic litter boxes wasn't the price. It was the maintenance. People hated them because cleaning them required tools, effort, and still left a mess. Oneisall has completely redesigned the maintenance experience from the ground up. You disassemble, rinse, and reassemble. And the whole process takes under 2 minutes. No tools and no headache. Let's talk about the waste management system, because this is genuinely where the Oneisall beats the competition at its own game. The waste drawer. On this unit holds 11 liters. This is a massive amount of capacity. For a single cat household, you're looking at approximately 14 days of use before you need to change the bag. 2 weeks without touching the waste. Let that sink in. The drawer is also fully sealed, and I mean properly sealed, not just loosely closed. The odor simply cannot escape. Your living room, your laundry room, your home office, wherever you place this, it is not going to smell like a litter box. There's also a specially angled interior design inside the waste drawer that prevents litter and waste from settling in corners. This is a kind of thoughtful engineering detail that most brands overlook completely. It means every cleaning cycle deposits cleanly. Every time, the waste bags, 2 of which are already included in a box, fit directly inside the drawer. When it's time to change, you pull the bag out, tie it up, and done. It could not be simpler. This is a kind of convenience that makes automatic litter boxes worth it. One thing I always get asked in the comments when I review automatic litter boxes like this is it safe? Is a cat going to be scared of it? And these are completely valid concerns. So let me address them directly. The Ease S1's open-top rectangular design means there are no scary enclosed spaces for the cat to navigate. The cat can see in and out at all times. No tunnel, no dome to squeeze through. This open architecture is actually the design that research shows cats are most comfortable with because it mirrors that natural environment they instinctively prefer. The cleaning mechanism only activates after the cat has left the box. There are sensors that detect when the cat has exited. So at no point is there any mechanical movement while a cat is inside. The 45 decibel noise level means the cleaning cycle itself won't startle a nearby cat or sleeping cat. Bottom line is, this is safe, cat-friendly design. If your cat is skittish about new objects, give it 3 to 4 days to investigate at their own pace. In your testing experience, cats adapted quickly and without issue. We have covered the 3 biggest features, but I want to quickly hit a few more things that really matter in daily use. Number 5, on Oneisall's priority list, quiet operation at night. 45 decibels. To put that in perspective, a whisper is about 30 decibels, and a quiet office is about 50. So this thing runs so quietly, it could literally run in your bedroom at 3 a.m. and not wake you up. For multi-cat households or anyone with a cat that uses the box at night, this is a huge deal. Now, feature 6, multi-cat capability. And it works with multiple litter types, such as whether you use standard clumping litter, tofu litter, or mixed litters. The Ease S1 handles it all. A lot of automatic litter boxes are flaky about litter. They only work with one specific type and size. Oneisall is far more flexible here, making it much easier to use in a home with multiple cats or specific litter preferences. And number 7, litter savings. The cleaning mechanism on the Ease S1 is precision, engineered to separate only waste from clean litter, depositing only the waste clumps into the drawer. Your clean litter stays exactly where it should be, in the tray. No unnecessary litter waste. Over months of use, this actually saves you real money on litter purchases. Now, I want to give you a bit of context on why this product exists, because it didn't come out of nowhere. Over the past 5 years, automatic litter boxes have exploded in popularity. Google Trends for the phrase automatic litter box have been climbing sharply. But here's the thing, the real trending search terms alongside it are easy to clean, stuck litter, washable, odor control. People are buying these products and still being frustrated. So competitors like the Enoylity M1 and the Litter Robot 4, both popular, well-marketed products, have left these core pain points largely unsolved. The Enoylity M1 uses a spherical structure that is genuinely difficult to clean thoroughly. Multiple non-removable components make deep cleaning basically impossible. The Litter Robot 4, premium price at $399.99. But again, many users report components that can't be fully cleaned and odor issues over time. Oneisall looked at this market, listened to real cat owners, and built a product specifically engineered to solve the problems everyone else ignored. And at $199.99, available on the Oneisall official site or via Amazon with a $30 discount coupon. It is $200 cheaper than the Enoylity M1 and $100 cheaper than the Pure Max. This isn't just a better product, it's a better priced one. So, who is this product actually for? Let's be real about that. The research shows the typical buyer of an automatic litter box is between 26 and 45 years old, earns between $50,000 and $150,000 a year, and about 70% of them are first-time buyers of an automatic litter box. They want to fully automate the most annoying part of cat ownership, waste removal. If you live in an apartment and you can't have the litter box smell taking over your space, this is for you. If you work long hours and can't always scoop on schedule, this is for you. If you're sick of returning home to a smell or a cat that's refusing to use a dirty box, this is absolutely for you. The most satisfying moment that Oneisall's user report is not when they first turn it on. It's the 3rd or 4th day when they realize they haven't had to scoop once, not once. Their cat has been taken care of automatically. Every single time you use the box, and the box is still clean. That's the moment you know this product has changed your routine. Common placement spots are laundry rooms, storage rooms, dedicated pet areas, and bathrooms. And with its quiet 45 decibel operation, you can honestly place this almost anywhere without it being intrusive. Alright, final verdict time. And I'll keep this honest and clean. The Oneisall's Clean S1 is right now the most thoughtfully designed automatic litter box in its price category. It wins on cleanability. Nothing else on the market comes close to the Ease Clean system. It wins on space. That open rectangular basin is 32% larger than its closest competitors. It wins on odor control with that sealed 11-liter waste drawer. It runs quietly. It works with multiple cats. It supports multiple litter types, and it saves your litter. It won 4 awards at CES 2026 and has spent real time with this product. I completely understand why. This was built by people who actually listen to cat owners and solve the real problems, not just the marketing-friendly ones. At $199.99 on official site or via Amazon with $30 discount coupon, it is significantly cheaper than the Litter Robot 4 and the Enoylity M1, while being genuinely better in the areas that matter most to daily use. If you are a cat owner and you have been on the fence,
about getting an automatic litter box, this is the one for you. The link is in the description down below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe to Enoylity Technology so you never miss our latest unboxings and reviews. Now, drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.